This TV training ground vehicle for Wycombe Wanderers Football Club was a collaborative project between Golf Car UK and their in-house fabrication division, Custom Box UK. Designed to help club coaches pass on vital information to their players on the training ground, the inbuilt 58-inch 4K TV utilises its power from the internal battery that also drives the buggy motor, and is conveniently housed in a bespoke, lightweight, secure and robust weatherproof enclosure. To inquire about your very own TV training ground vehicle, or to learn more about the versatile adaptations that could be made to your existing utility fleet, visit utilityvehiclesuk.com.